Now we will go for the second option, that is reshape. First select the polygon that you want to reshape. Select and then click reshape. If we want to add some portion with this polygon, then just click on this and draw the desired polygon which should be added to this one, and finish within the polygon. This part is added to this polygon. The reshape tool is also used to subtract any region from any polygon. Suppose we do not need this side of the polygon, so we can reshape. In this case, we should start our reshaping from outside of the polygon. Just click here and finish outside of the polygon. The polygon is reshaped as our path. When you are finished, click on OK and save.